It was a bright summer morning in a lush green meadow. The flowers bloomed beautifully, and a gentle breeze carried the sweet scent of nature. A cheerful green grasshopper sat lazily on a large leaf, strumming his tiny violin. His long legs swung freely as he enjoyed the warmth of the sun. In contrast, a line of small, hardworking ants marched steadily, each carrying grains of wheat toward their anthill. They moved with determination, knowing they had to prepare for the coming winter. The grasshopper watched the ants with amusement and laughed. "Oh, dear ants, why do you work so hard? The sun is shining, the wind is singing, come and dance with me," he said playfully. One of the ants, a strong and wise leader, paused and looked up at the grasshopper. "We are storing food for the winter. When the cold months arrive, there will be nothing to eat," the ant replied. The grasshopper shook his head and chuckled. "Winter is far away. Why worry now? Life is meant to be enjoyed," he said, continuing to play his violin. The ants, without another word, continued their work, knowing the importance of preparing for the future. Days passed, and soon, summer turned into autumn. The once warm and sunny meadow became colder, and the trees began shading their leaves. But the grasshopper still played his violin, hopping happily from one branch to another. Meanwhile, the ants worked tirelessly, storing the last of their food before the harsh winter arrived. Then, winter came. Snow covered the ground, and the once vibrant meadow became silent and still. The grasshopper shivered as the cold wind blew through the barren trees. He searched for food but found nothing to eat. His stomach growled, and he realized too late that he had not prepared for the winter. Desperate and hungry, he made his way to the ants' anthill and knocked on the entrance. "Dear ants, please help me," he pleaded. "I have no food, and I am cold and hungry. I didn't realize winter would come so soon." The wise ant looked at him with sympathy but also with a lesson to teach. "We worked hard all summer while you played. We saved food while you wasted time. Now, we have enough to survive. But what about you?" the ant asked. The grasshopper hung his head in shame. "I understand now. I should have worked hard like you instead of wasting time. I have learned my lesson," he admitted. The kind-hearted ants took pity on the grasshopper and shared a small portion of their food. But they reminded him that next time, he must prepare for the future. Grateful for their generosity, the grasshopper promised to change his ways. From that day on, he worked alongside the ants, gathering food during the warm seasons so that he would never go hungry again. Moral of the story: hard work and preparation are essential for a secure future. Play and enjoyment are important, but we must also be responsible and plan ahead.